How to fix WhatsApp desktop app not opening. WhatsApp desktop app won't open or keeps crashing. Let's fix it so you can chat from your PC again. It's really simple. Start with the basics. First quit WhatsApp and restart your computer. That clears temporary system errors. Uninstall the current version and reinstall WhatsApp desktop from whatsapp.com/download. To get the latest stable release, update your operating system. Some older Windows or macOS versions may not support newer WhatsApp builds. If all else fails, use WhatsApp Web temporarily until the app issue is fixed. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video or if this video helped you, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.